January 27th, 2015. It's, let's see, it's below 20. On my smartphone it said it's 15 degrees with a wind chill of 11 below. Anyways, I'm out here to do the Pete Frates ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. But I not only wanted to do it for him, as I told him this past fall, we got some snow here. I don't have any ice. As I told him this past fall at a football game, I was going to take this a little step further, but I've been inspired to do this by not only Pete, but by Nando Parado in his book Miracle in the Andes, and also I was inspired to do this by Viktor Frankl in his book The Meaning of Life, Man's Meaning of Life. That's not so bad. Also, I'd like to say, for all of you out there that have no hope, pray for a hope. Hope for a hope. Hope for one.